Welcome to another video, guys. This is actually a different video. I haven't made a video like this in years. But one of the companies I've been on and off with, Nowsite, has decided to end their affiliate program. I know it's going to be chatter around the industry. They sent out the last email I seen. A guy that I'm friends with post is pretty much, hey, we have partners. They're not really big on the affiliate program, and they kind of switched from an MLM section at first because they're partners. They said we didn't want it to compete with our reps and their businesses. All right, whatever. Went to like affiliate type company, and then like a year later, just read it all. So a lot of people lost thousands and thousands of dollars of commissions, and this was coming from just an affiliate company. So that shows you anything can cancel. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, but it kind of sucks though because I mean this is the place we're trying to build trust in with people that have never done this before, and these things keep happening, guys. So for me personally, I use it on and off. I kind of use it for like simplicity when I didn't have a proper mindset. I was like, all right, let me find something that's super simple, um, that I can show my members. Realizing like it's not for me. Yeah, it had an all-in-one email thing, but the email was super difficult, and it had no customization for you to get a better deliverability. The CRM was all right, but the funnel builder was just basic, regular stuff. Let me see. I don't know if I can actually look at any of my old websites. Let's actually look at any of my old websites. Yeah, you can. You can actually see these are. I think this might be my first account I had with them. Um, Oh, this is not even. This is actually a template account. This isn't even my actual account. Let me see. A website I actually kind of built. All right, here's the one I remember making. It's just plain pages. It was just plain stuff. It was like you really had to try to make it look your best, but there was nothing. Like this was like newer stuff I did. I did like this part with the forums. They had like radio customizables, and you can easily have people, select what they want, and it'll send you the information. That was probably the best feature in this funnel builder. But you see, it's very plain, um, compared to what I have now, which I'm going to show you guys what I'm working with now. Pages like this, real standout pages, and this is going to be with the introduction, the Home Business Academy that I've also been with for years, on and off. Always kept the funnel builder, and they have other products as well. But a lot of you who are looking for a funnel builder, just know this isn't a all-in-one product, meaning you're not going to have your email thing integrated. You're going to have forms. You can put a form on here, and it's going to collect it in the CRM. You can add, subtract, and it's going to collect it in the back office right here. I don't want to click it because of people's information, but it's going to collect it. But you can connect the autoresponder. So Aweber, Get Response, um, MailChimp, I forgot the name. It's another one. And you can connect those, or if you have like a high level or something like that, and you can get a external embed code, you can embed that onto this form as well, collect your information over there, and use these beautiful pages. Because if we come back here, we have a guy that actually makes custom templates for us. You can build anything over here, but this is probably going to be worth the $25 alone a month for this, just because there's just about every type of system in here. I mean, it goes left to right. So, I mean, already custom made for you and your team, ready to go. Like, I mean, high level um templates. Whatever you're looking for, webinar funnels, whatever you're looking for, it's already in here, ready to go. Digital product funnels, customizable. I mean, booking, we have a booking widget. So you see there's already like an example. It doesn't have it on there, but you can see it right here. Booking widgets. You can have your webinar, beautiful pages, and you can host. Like I said, you can embed third-party video hosting. We use Bunny. Have affiliate links for that as well. We use Bunny, very cheap, affordable. If you don't already have your own video hosting, just beautiful pages. Membership, we have, if we scroll down some more, we have membership um, pages with templates. So right here, if you want to do a membership, because you can lock these different pages with password, or it's another way to lock them as well. So we have everything in here as far as this, link trees. You can make your own link trees in here with checkouts, stuff. You see this nice one right here. I mean, this company's just been ethical. I've tried to pick it apart, and there's nothing I can pick apart. There's nothing I can pick apart about it. I mean, it's just been solid. They've paid on time. They pay weekly. Great community. And if you unlock the other products they have, they have I'm actually I'm trying to hide my face. I'm in the traffic and conversions, which is going to be the probably most used product, these two right here. But they also have a financial literacy product as well on the investment side, real estate side, and then they have a app called Let's Go. It's actually right here, Let's Go, which is on the productivity side, scheduling your goals, your dreams, aspirations. And they all pay 80% commission. So Let's Go is $10 a month, pays $8. Funnel Builder is $25 a month, pays $20 a month. Premium is $125 a month, it pays $100. So these two alone, 40 customers, you can make 4 figures a month. Financial literacy is a one-time payment. If you get it on a discount, going all in with us with all the products, you can get it for like $500, or it's $1,000 on the back end. And what I love about this traffic and conversion section is there's live coaching. So if you come through here, you see there's a whole bunch of training. Actually, I'm on the funnel builder section. So the funnel builder section has a whole bunch of training. This is where I learned how to do a lot of stuff in my funnels. A lot, I mean, everything you can think of: deliverability, redirects, mock-up blogs, upsells, everything. But if you come to premium traffic and conversions, there's a free section for all the free stuff, like the YouTube stuff, and it's detailed stuff. But then there's paid stuff as well. But where the real money maker is on this product is the interactive coaching. So this has been going on. Let me see. You'll see how many videos actually that there's in. So and these coachings happen every day, Monday through Friday. I mean, Monday through Friday, which is every day. But there's 127 videos in the collections for you to watch. Um, Funnel builder stuff, premium funnel builder stuff, but also traffic. Anytime someone's having success doing something, they come on here and show how it's done. Plus, you can ask your questions, etc. So, I mean, this has been running strong for years and years and years and years. So we're at a point in time right now where it's like, all right, what's going on in the industry? There's going to be some new stuff dropping all the time. There's always going to be a new company. Since I joined the business in 2013, there's always going to be something new. I had to go through my point where I joined everything that was new under the sun. I had to go through my point where I was trying to figure out spillover. Oh, I need spillover. Got to getting something that's hot. And then you start realizing that you need to be the one learning how to get sales, and you need to teach your people to learn how to get sales. And that's how affiliates, network marketing companies boom, when you can show people how to go be self-sufficient in their business. There's no cheat sheet or cheat route to getting to success. You're going to waste money in these spaces if you don't just lock in and get sales. And you want to start with a fundamental place. Like, it's okay to have multiple streams of income. This is going to be your foundation. This is going to be where you learn marketing. This is going to be where you learn funnels, how to brand yourself. And then it doesn't matter what you do after that. Like me, it doesn't matter what I promote, because I have fundamentals that are always growing. You're going to get to work with me. And I'm like specialized in video creation, AI stuff. But this is everything. Home Business Academy. I'm not even probably going to chop this video up, keep it real raw. We're at 9 minutes. And everything's going to be in the description. If you're seeing this on social media, just comment how in the comment section, and I'll send you the information on the Home Business Academy. But this is where it's at. It's going to funnel your MLM. It's going to funnel your affiliate marketing company. It's going to take you to the next level, no matter what business is. And this is just a great side income to also have, so you aren't putting all your eggs in one basket.